Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the figure closely, checking joints, pegs, and paint. Once done, photograph the damage for orientation and future reference. It prevents reassembly mistakes. Then collect tools, precision tweezers, cyanoacrylate glue for plastic, 0. 5 mm files for tight fits, cotton swabs for cleanup. Make sure to use a flat tray and soft cloth to keep parts from rolling away. You'll also want a lamp so you see seam lines. Good lighting makes tiny repairs predictable and cleaner. You next disassemble the damaged area, starting with gentle removal of limbs. Warming a joint in ~60 degrees water softens plastic and eases separation. Once parts are free, clean both mating surfaces and file tiny high spots, a 0. 2 to 0. 5 mm pass often transforms a sloppy fit into a snug one, which reduces stress on the bond. Apply cyanoacrylate glue sparingly. Too much causes brittle joints. Hold or brace the piece with tape or a small clamp. You reassemble the figure in reverse order, testing range of motion as you go. Make sure parts click without forcing, because premature force can crack fresh bonds. For paint chips, apply matching acrylic in thin coats, allowing 10 to 15 minutes between layers so textures match. Once cured, consider a matte varnish if needed. If things go wrong, say a joint remains loose, use a thin plastic shim or insert a heat set pin to restore tension. This simple fix often saves a figure from repeated failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.